5451. CN 2630, that one's shut down, fuel conservation. 0 by 46, 1823 on the tons, 2389 on the feet. Please ready to copy, over.
1,137. 12137 at CN 5451 South. 5451 South at Gladstone. TWO, proceed from outpost 118.4. 118.4 to northwest, switch from outpost 113.5. 16.3.5, switch yes, I'm at sub 8.
Alright, repeating track authority, 12,137, 12137. To the CN 5451 South, Canadian National 5451, SATH Gladstone. Xbox 2, TWO, proceed from milepost 118.4, 118.4. To the northwest switch, milepost 113.5, 113.5, switch yes, on the Manistee submain. Xbox 3, THREE, third main track at northwest switch, at milepost 113.5, 113.5, switch yes. And box 1010, permission lead following switch in reverse position. Northwest switch, milepost 113.5, 113.5. This authority has 3 THREE boxes marked, 2 TWO, 3 THREE 10, 10, over.
Track 40, 12,137, 12137, CN 5451. 5451 South, located 1435, 1435 at CN.
Alright, track 30, 12,137, 12137. To the CN 5451, 5451 South, we'll show a K at 1435, 1435, MPM, copy show.
That is correct.
All correct, have a good one. CN 5451.